Introducing the latest breakthrough in memory technology, the Samsung P9 Express microSD cards, built for the future and ready for your next adventure. With sequential read speeds hitting a lightning-fast 800 megabytes per second, these cards are not just fast, they're blazing fast. Whether you're loading massive game files on the Switch 2 or transferring 4K videos on your drone, speed is the name of the game. But speed alone isn't enough. Samsung has integrated its innovative dynamic thermal guard technology, originally designed for high-performance SSDs, to keep these cards cool even during the most intense gaming marathons or demanding shoots. No more overheating, no throttling, just consistent, reliable performance. And here's the best part. While these microSD Express cards are tailored for the Switch 2, their compatibility goes far beyond. Tablets, cameras, drones, and other portable gaming consoles can all benefit from Samsung's cutting-edge storage tech. Samsung offers two key capacities to fit your needs: 256 gigabytes for $55 and 512 gigabytes for $100. Competitive pricing for premium performance, right when the market needs it most. So whether you're a hardcore gamer gearing up for the Switch 2, a creative capturing life's moments, or just someone who demands speed and reliability in portable storage, Samsung's P9 Express microSD cards are engineered to deliver.